So today I'll show you how to allow incoming calls notification on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So to do this, you have to enable this setting on the Mi Fitness app. So grab the phone that is paired to your Smart Band 9 and launch the Mi Fitness app. And then once launched, tap on device and then scroll down and select notifications and calls. So select that and then select incoming calls. Tap on that and then now you'll see a brief description: get calls on your wearable device when it's connected to your phone. So now you can customize these notifications to suit your needs. So let's say if you want the Smart Band 9 to vibrate, you can enable that. But if it's your first time to set this up, you'll be asked to allow some permissions. So allow. And then you can customize this option to suit your needs. So let's say if you want to reply with a message, you have to enable it and then you have to allow any permissions that might appear. And if you're not unreachable, you can customize the quick response. And then once you receive a call, let's say for example, if I receive a call, it will notify me on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So let's do that. So when you receive a call, you'll see it on your phone and also you'll see on your wearable device. So you can swipe up on the device, on the Smart Band, and you can respond with the text that you'd like. So you can tap on that and then it will send that particular message to that particular user. So the only flip side about this is that you cannot answer phone calls on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 directly. So it will just notify you and then now you can answer it directly on your phone. So that's basically it on how to allow incoming calls on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.